Take command of the road in the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a rear step bumper, lane departure warning, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.